Using GAANO in Tagalog sentences. Gaano kadalas? How often? Gaano katagal? How long? Gaano kalayo? How far? Gaano karami? How many? How much? Gaano katagal akong maghihintay? How long should I wait? Hindi ako gaanong matalino. I am not very smart. Gaano kahirap maging sundalo? How hard it is to be a soldier. Gaano kalalim? How deep? Gaano kahaba ang tulay? How long is the bridge? Gaano kataas ang tore? How high is the tower? Gaano kadalas mo siya makita? How often do you see him? Gaano katagal ka nang buntis? How long have you been pregnant? Gaano katagal mo na siyang kakilala? How long did you know him? Gaano kadalas ang minsan? How often is sometimes? Gaano karaming tao ang kasya sa kotse mo? How many people can fit in your car? Gaano kadalas kang naliligo sa isang linggo? How often do you take a bath in a week? Gaano kalalim ang dagat? How deep is the sea? Gaano kasarap ang pagkain? How delicious is the food? Gaano kalaki ang iyong bahay? How big is your house? Gaano kalayo ang bahay mo? How far is your house? Gaano katagal mo na siyang kakilala? How long did you know him or her? Gaano katagal na kayong magkasintahan? How long have you been as a couple? Gaano kasakit ang mawala ng tirahan? How much pain to lose a home? Gaano ka nakasisiguro? How so sure are you? Gaano mo siya kakilala? How well do you know him or her? Gaano karami ang binili mo? How much did you buy? Gaano mo siya kamahal? How much did you love him or her? Gaano mo ako kamahal? How much do you love me? Gaano karami ang utang ko sa'yo? How much do I owe you? Gaano kahirap maging isang ina? How hard it is to be a mother? Gaano mo ako pinahahalagahan? How much do you appreciate me? Gaano kalapit ang paaralan nyo? How near is your school? Gaano kataas ang gusaling iyon? How high is that building? Gaano karami ang nakain mo? How much did you eat?